Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can improve your LEGO Mandalorian and Bo Katan. Initially, your Mandalorian minifigure would look something like this. I'm going to be using the one from the N1 Starfighter. I took some golden hands from C-3PO, and to finish off I added the old cowboy pistol piece as well as adding the grey jetpack from the other Mandalorian figure. I didn't want to change too much on this figure as it was already relatively detailed, and I think I've done an okay job here. Now we've improved our Mandalorian minifigure, let's move on to Bo Katan. The original Bo Katan minifigure looks like this, already pretty solid. I've changed the arms to Chief Wiggum's from The Simpsons. As a result of the previous change, I added some dark grey hands. The antenna comes from the 501st Officer, and finally I added a custom built Darksaber, which you will see in just a moment. Hopefully your minifigure should now look something like this. As you can see, the Darksaber is just a katana with two grey studs. If you feel like I've forgotten something here, make sure to tell me, and if you enjoyed this video regardless, make sure to give it a like and maybe subscribe if you haven't done that already.